I'll show you the top crypto wallet that's compatible with MoonPay. So some of the best crypto wallets we have right now is something called Trust Wallet. For example, you can go to Trust Wallet here. I'm pretty sure it's a Chrome extension. So this is best crypto wallet for Web3, NFT, and DeFi. Now, this is compatible with Chrome and of course with MoonPay as well. You can download it on the mobile app or on the extension here. You can download it for Chrome, Opera, Brave, or Edge. If you want to download it for Chrome, go to Chrome, and then you can click on this button to download Trust Wallet, and then you can open Trust Wallet from here, right here, right? And then you'll open the extension like this. The next one you should be able to be aware of is also Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet, you can also type it in like this, and it's the same thing as Trust Wallet. It's compatible on a web extension, or you can also download it for your phone if you'd like. You can install it by going to the official website here, and you can download for Chrome here, and then it'll put you into this store right here. And then once you downloaded it, you can go to here as well. Now you can see this is what it will look like. Now the last one I'm going to show you is called Ledger Nano. Now this is more of a cold wallet, right? So it's a physical wallet or a hardware wallet. You can find the Ledger Nano X here. It's compatible, of course, with MoonPay as well. You can buy it here.